Good morning, Robert. I hope you're feeling well and that you are getting yourself weaned off of the heavy duty medication. Um, anyway, I wanted to talk to you about the 2-2 writing notes assignment that you submitted. Unfortunately, it is not going to be acceptable because if I grade what the outline that you turned in, the assignment will receive an F, and I know you don't want that. Let me show you why. Um, okay, so here is your assignment that you turned in. This is the 2-2 writing notes. Um, and this is the rubric that I have to use when I grade your assignment. So in this first category, it says writing plan argument. Describe the argument to be addressed through the essay, including how you derived at this topic. Okay, well, if I go to your outline, I don't see any of that. I don't really know what it is you're trying to argue. I don't really know what the topic is. I don't know how you derived at this topic. So unfortunately, I would have to give this category a 0. Now, with this next category about key points, I could probably give you a 10 because you do have key points. You have a first main point, you have a second main point, and a third main point. So I could probably give you, 10 points for that. I could mark that as proficient. But then the next category is audience, and it says identifies an audience and determines potential challenges. Okay, well, you don't have any of that. So I would have to give this category a 0. Um, you don't have any goals for this essay. What are you wanting to accomplish with this essay? I'd have to give that a 0. Um, you don't have any resources listed, so I'd have to give that a 0. All right, I'm sure you get where I'm going with this. So what you've turned in, this outline, would receive a 0. And I know you don't, or not a 0, an F. And I know you don't want that. So, and I don't want that for you either. So you really need to, you need to redo this assignment. And let me show you what you need to do. Okay, so when you are, let me see, sorry, hang on. Okay, go to course menu, click learning modules, go back to module 2. This takes you to our MindEdge material. Go click the little menu and then click on 2-2 assignment writing notes. All right, you will see all these prompts, okay? And let me delete that. So here's the first prompt, and these are the instructions for that 2-2 writing notes, okay? And then here are the prompts. And these prompts match with the rubric. So it says in number 1, describe the argument to be addressed in your persuasive essay and include how the argument is derived from your major. Okay, so in this text box, you need to type a lot, give me a bit of a paragraph, and then click submit. And then number 2, key points are pieces of evidence. Okay, you've already got key points, so this part will be easy. All right, you just need to list your key points. The audience. Your audience is the people you are addressing in your essay. So who is the audience? And what potential challenges will you face with this audience? So here you need to give me, 3 or 4 sentences. Who's the audience? Who's the specific audience? You wouldn't want to write just, well, everyone is my audience. No, you need to be more specific. And what challenges will you face? Like what opposing points will they bring up? You need to type, and again, after you've typed in this text box. Then you'll click submit, and so on and so forth. So you need to answer each one of these prompts, whoops, in these text boxes. And when you're all done, you will download the Word document, and I'm just showing you all your work. Well, it will be here, or it should be. And then I don't have anything, and I didn't click submit, so that's why mine didn't show up. But yours will, because every time after you type in these text boxes, you need to click submit. And then you will go back to the portal where you submitted the outline. You need to go back to that same portal and submit your fully completed 2-2 assignment, okay? So you need to do that as soon as possible. I really urge you to get on that as soon as you can. I also wanted to talk to you about, I noticed, excuse me, I noticed that a student turned in an essay here, and I guess this is what you were talking about when you called me on the phone the other day. I really still didn't quite get what you were trying to tell me, but now I do. I'm going to delete these assignments. This 7-4 assignment, this is for the final completed essay during week 7. Okay, so you shouldn't have anything turned in here yet. Not quite sure what this is, but I'm going to delete this. Okay, just wanted you to know. All right, so now this week we're in week 3. So let me go to student view here so you can see. Here's my announcement for today, and I talk about everything. We're working on our research this week, and so I've got information here. Here's another video for you to watch. I've got examples of the annotated bibliography. So that's this week. You'll go to learning modules again. Go to, sorry. I know this really gets confusing, and if you've been you've been through a lot, so I'm sure it's especially confusing for you. Oh, it won't let me get it in because I'm having, okay. I got to get out of student view. All right, I'm so sorry. I'm probably making this worse for you. Go to learning modules. We are in week 3, module 3, and here you go. This is the beginning of all the material that you need to do this week. Okay. All right. I wanted to get this sent out to you so that you can redo that 2-2 assignment as quickly as you can and get it resubmitted. And I wanted to send this video to you because I think it's easier for you to see what I'm talking about rather than us talking on the phone. So, but definitely call me if you have any questions. If you still don't understand what needs to be done, just please call me or email me. Okay. All right. Well, like I said, I hope you're doing better, and I hope you're understanding a little better about what you need to do for the class, for the coursework. All right. Bye.